Stains and marks on the walls disappear in 2 seconds. This trick works like a magic eraser. Instead of reaching for a roller and paint, try this ridiculously simple method. It's a home hack that will bring freshness back to your walls in seconds, and the result will truly surprise you. The best part? It leaves no streaks, doesn't damage the paint, and requires no scrubbing. Pour 4 parts water into a small bowl. Add 1 part of this household liquid. This solution works great on stubborn stains. I'll tell you in a moment what the liquid is. Mix everything until smooth, dip a clean microfiber cloth into it, and gently wipe the stained area. Right as you begin to wipe the wall, you'll notice the stains start to disappear. No trace, no smudge left behind. The wall dries quickly, and you can forget it was ever dirty. Wondering what tackled those wall stains so effectively? It's not some fancy store-bought cleaner. It's something you usually add to laundry to make clothes soft and smell good. Fabric softener not only cleans incredibly well, it also leaves a fresh, pleasant scent and makes the whole room feel clean and refreshed. It's one of those tricks you learn once and end up recommending to everyone.
Line the bottom of a pot with aluminum foil, making sure it's fully covered. Then shape a few foil balls and drop them in. These simple little balls hold surprising power that many have forgotten. Pour warm water into the pot. Add a few drops of dish soap. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of salt to boost the cleaning process and tackle stubborn grime. Then pour in some vinegar. It dissolves buildup and acts as a natural disinfectant. You'll see foam form on the surface. That's where the magic happens. Now drop your cutlery into the pot. Let them soak in the mixture and bring it all to a boil over medium heat. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. The results will be as good as new. Carefully pour the mixture out into the sink and rinse the cutlery under running water. Gently dry them with a clean towel. The result? Your cutlery will look brand new, shiny, clean, and mirror-like. An old household trick that still beats many modern cleaners. Try it once, and you'll never go back to scrubbing. Sprinkle salt on the carpet. What happens next will surprise you. Take a medium-sized bowl and add about 150 milliliters of water. It's important that the water is not hot, just slightly warm. Then add 1 tablespoon of table salt. Salt helps remove stains and unpleasant odors. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap, preferably with your favorite scent. Then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar, thanks to its properties, helps remove tough stains, dissolves dirt, and restores freshness to fibers. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive that helps loosen dirt in the carpet fibers. You'll notice foam starting to form. Mix everything thoroughly. Pour the mixture over the stains on the carpet. Take a brush and scrub the stains well. This mixture works on most types of carpets. Finally, wipe with a towel or paper and wait for the carpet to dry. This simple and inexpensive method will help you get rid of tough stains and dirt. Your carpet will look like new. Get rid of dirt on the walls without scrubbing or streaks. Start by filling a bucket with hot water, then add a bit of dish soap. This is a great cleaner that effectively removes grease, dust, and other dirt. Soak the mop in the solution, then wring it out so it's only slightly damp. This prevents excess water that could harm your walls or doors. Now clean away. Glide the mop across the walls, ceiling, and doors. Effortlessly remove dust, stains, and dirt. This quick and convenient method lets you reach even the hardest to reach spots without the need for a ladder or cloth. When you're done, pour the dirty water into the toilet and see how much grime you've removed. Clean, refreshed surfaces with no streaks or dust, all in just a few minutes. Enjoy your perfectly clean space. I had no idea my floor could be this clean. Let me show you what to do. Pour warm water into a bucket. Then, drop in 1 cleaning pod. It will become your best ally in the fight against dirt. Add some scent beads so a pleasant, fresh aroma fills your home while you clean. Now, grab some vinegar
and pour in about 1/4 cup. It's a natural disinfectant that also gives your floor a beautiful shine. Finally, add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to help remove tougher stains and refresh the surface. Once the mixture is ready, dip your mop in, let it soak well, then wring it out thoroughly next to the bucket. Now start mopping. You'll see how every stroke of the mop erases traces of daily mess, and your home begins to shine again. Now just pour out the water. You don't need to search for magical solutions in expensive stores sometimes. That's all it takes. Try it once, and I promise cleaning will never feel the same again. Put the wooden kitchen utensils into a pot. My grandmother showed me this trick. Take a medium-sized pot. Fill the pot halfway with water, then place the wooden kitchen utensils inside and bring the water to a boil. Let them boil for about 5 minutes. During this time, you will notice how all the dirt comes out of them. Wooden kitchen utensils are resistant to mechanical damage, which allows them to last for many years. However, if they are not properly cared for, they can become a breeding ground for bacteria. After 5 minutes, take the utensils out of the water, then dry them with a towel. To keep the utensils functional and looking good for a long time, you should regularly coat them with oil. It can be food-grade oil. Put a few drops onto a paper towel and thoroughly rub the wooden kitchen utensils. This will protect them from moisture and cracking, and it will also keep them in good condition for a long time. This is how you remove all dirt from your shower cabin. This powder works like magic dust to clean limescale and buildup. Don't use chemical cleaners when homemade methods work best. First, spread regular baking soda over the glass doors. Then take a lemon cut in half, add some extra baking soda onto the lemon. Rub the glass with the lemon where there is dirt and buildup. Lemon dissolves limescale. Baking soda removes dirt and acts as a gentle abrasive. It will gently break down and remove the buildup. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Then wipe the glass with a cloth soaked in warm water. Remove part of the mixture with the cloth. To leave the glass sparkling clean, use a simple dustpan. Thanks to its rubber edge, it works like a squeegee. Just wipe away the excess, and your glass cabin will be cleaner than ever before. This is the best and easiest way to clean your windows. I guarantee you'll always clean them this way from now on. Your windows will shine like never before, and you won't need to climb a ladder anymore. Let me show you the best way to clean exterior windows. Grab a bucket and a mop, the same one you use for your floors. We'll prepare the cleaning solution in the bucket. Pour about 1 liter of warm water into it. Make sure it's not boiling or too hot. Next, add 2 cups of vinegar. Vinegar has disinfecting and cleaning properties, removes bacteria, and leaves no streaks. Then, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap and mix everything well. Soak the mop in the solution, just like you do when cleaning floors. Squeeze out the excess water and start washing the windows. They will be perfectly clean. If there's any excess water left, take a microfiber cloth and secure it to the mop handle with rubber bands. Use it to wipe away any remaining moisture. You'll see your windows shine like never before. This trick is not only simple, but also incredibly effective.